up everyone, this is DJB the Rocker here, back again with another video, and today we're going to be taking another look at some of my LEGO butterfly knife collections and stuff, and I've also created something else which is going to be a surprise at the end of the video, which isn't butterfly knife related, but LEGO Technic. So here we go. I'm probably showed these already, but just to show it, I'm holding the camera with my right hand, which is my best hand to, there we go, there's the first one. Maybe if I can hold the camera with my other hand. Yeah! Okay. Second one. Third one. And now this is one that I just made last night, but I made this after the surprise that I'm going to show you at the end of the video. So this is a trainer, but it's still pretty good if you want to do tricks with it. Yeah, it's a pretty good piece of LEGO Technic if you ask me, and it's also used with some just LEGO bricks as well, some flat pieces, and it's just pretty cool. But today I'm not only going to show you these, but I'm going to show you how to build these butterfly knives, because they only take a couple of certain parts. So just bear with me a second. I'll be back, don't worry. So in the meantime, I'm just sorting these so you know how to build your own LEGO butterfly knife if you want to. So just a couple of minutes now, maybe a couple of seconds. Okay. There we go. Okay, this is all the pieces you need for your LEGO butterfly knife. So you've got these, I actually don't know how many studs, you've got your big, the big Technic, the big, God Jesus, I mucked up right there. And you've also got Technic pins with blue pin and a black pin. You've also got these pins with the bit to go in as well. You've got these 4x1 kinetic pin, and you've got, which is the black version of the red, and the red scale thing, and then you have your blade. This is the blade. It's technically a bionicle piece. So first part, skip all of my crap, I don't care, but pause the video if you want to. First part you need is a very important part, which includes these two and includes these. So put everything out the way, we're going to make the bite handle first. So to make the bite handle, you get the red one, you get the black one, you've also got this 3 by just 3 skeptic thing. And to make this, you'll have the black pin at the very bottom of the red one. You would put the black bit in down, and you put the blue bit for the latch, and then you put the black one on it, and that's your bite handle. Now we go to the safe handle. Sorry, I forgot the name of it there, but for the safe handle you need this bit, and you also need this, the red piece and the black piece as well. To do that, you just swap it around, the black that side and the red that side, and you kind of get the idea. So put it in 4. Put it in 4. So like yeah, like that. Put it in like that, in 4, then add the red bit on it as well, and then there's your safe handle, and then this piece is to join them together. So to do that, you would just put this bit right at the top, and this bit goes that way, and then you basically got the trimmings out in the outline, so you can flick it about without the blade if you want, but that's just your opinion if you want to, or if you like. So then I'm guessing you know for the last bit, because it's really obvious, you just pop the blade on, but it has to be a certain way, because if you do it the other way and you're holding the safe handle and the blade's that way, you could get kind of a tiny graze or something, because I did kind of cut this with scissors to make it a bit sharper, but I don't know why, just because I wanted to. So you would just put the blade on like that, and that's how you make your very own butterfly knife out of Lego. And it is really simple, and you can still do really good tricks as well, and I quite like it more than the other people do on YouTube, which is kind of weird, but not kind of weird if you get me. But you can still do pretty good tricks with these. They're crap. I really need to, like, I've been watching big flips recently, so I've been trying to learn how to do. I already know how to do the Y2K rollover, but I'm learning how to do more tricks as well, so that I'm just not a tiny beginner. I'm just wanting to be really good at it. So basically for these as well, it's just the exact same idea of what you did to this one, but to these, which is the same idea but the different colour versions. And so I had enough pieces to make 3, so I now have 3 of them, and I have this one, which is the trainer, but it's pretty, it's still pretty good if you want to do tricks. Yeah. So this is near the end of the video, and I said there was going to be a big announcement. So the big announcement is, if I can just get this locked, thank you. The big announcement, I've made like a working Lego Technic gun. So I'm trying to get the butterfly knife sitting properly. So just move all these butterfly knives aside just now. Don't care if they fall on the floor. But hey, this is the working Lego gun. This wee tiny thing here. This is a working Lego gun. there's a trigger at the bottom, and it moves this bit, so you've got the trigger, and the trigger is basically a one Technic pin, which is the 1 grey by 3 Technic pin. And if I can hold my camera up, hang on a minute, bear with me. And if I hold my camera up a bit, we can pull the trigger. You can pull to one to pull the back bit to reload. So this is your reload mechanism, and it's technically just an elastic band that attaches onto the Technic pin, which there's a Technic pin back up here that is attached, and it goes around here. So if I flip it over, you can see it is on that, and it is just pulled over, and it comes apart really easily. So hang on a minute, I can just show you what it... Okay, so I'm gonna dismantle it. So the way to dismantle it is to take the elastic band off it, and you can see it won't go back anymore. But the secret is to take this piece off of it, and this piece will come off if you take the 3 by 1 Technic pin, and this bit will come off. So this bit really just goes in there, and it just moves like that. But this is the reload bit, but without it kind of looks like a Halo Magnum, but a mini version. But I'm a big Halo fan as well, but it's not bad. It's my first attempt at making the first working gun out of Technic, so I don't know if I kind of copy the guy off YouTube, but who cares, because who gives a crap? To be honest, it's a pretty cool gun. I really like it. If you're liking this gun, leave a like, comment below what I should make next, and I might do a tutorial on how to make this. So thank you guys so much for watching this video on my butterfly knives and my new Lego Technic pistol. Let me just put this back together again, and it's really simple. So there we go, it's back together again. And so when you pull it, it's got the reload mechanism, and you can shoot. So thank you everybody so much for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, and see what you want me to build next. And if this is the first time you're seeing me, I've probably taken off of this of Dan TDM, but who cares. Subscribe, like my channel. Hope you guys enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. This is DGB the Rocker. I'm saying bye, and hope you have a good 2019, because this video is made 3 days after 2019. So happy new year to you guys, and bye.